Gauri Shankar used to be a daily laborer until 2010. He spent maximum time away from his family, looking for livelihood in the cities like Delhi and Chandigarh.
बाहर इसलिए जाते थे सर जी कि हमारे पास उतनी माने लागत के लिए माने कुछ नहीं होता था.
Less than 2 acres of ancestral land was not enough to provide food for his 7-member family. Clothes and education for children stood next in line. The land's fertility was affected by excessive use of chemical fertilizers. In addition, the increasing price of fertilizers and pesticides had brought Gauri's wits to an end. Most farmers in this period had inadvertently lost hope in agriculture, Madhya Pradesh being one majorly hit state. They began to look towards bigger cities for livelihood. More than 50% of villagers from Bundelkhand in MP were forced to migrate. Although agricultural production improved after 2011, it shares only a minimum 14% of India's GDP. With 12th five-year plan suggestively increasing the budget for rural development, agriculture, which is still a main source of livelihood for huge 58% of India's population, can restore the dwindling faith of Indian farmers. Speaking from our 2 years experience, we have been able to retain not just Gauri, but 1100 others who have successfully taken informed choice of organic farming.
जैविक खेती के माध्यम से, रोजगार गारंटी के माध्यम से, सरकारी योजनाओं के माध्यम से, महिलाओं की खेती के माध्यम से, तमाम चीजों से.
Our success lie in a concerted effort to bring a host of government schemes and aids to these farmers based on ICT, Information, Communication and Technology model under one roof. The struggle has not come to an end yet, although the lost confidence and trust have been restored, eradicating caste feelings and social differences to deal with more important issues of livelihood.